In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Following that, choose Home button, click on iOS launcher, tap on Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps over here, then clicking on Default Apps, and finally selecting Home app. In order to go back into System Launcher, just click on it. If you wish to set up iOS, click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!